Hi, it's Kerry here. This is my shark, whale, fish, sea creature compilation number 3. I can't believe I have so many sea creatures. Fabulous. Please enjoy. Hi, it's Kerry here. Today I have some interesting sharks, whales, fish and sea animals to look at with great music and fun facts. Jaws. Great white sharks have pale grey skin, white bellies, a bullet-shaped body and rows of up to 300 serrated triangular teeth. The great white's light body colour helps camouflage it. They are found in the coastal waters of Australia, South Africa, California and northeastern United States. Great white shark encounters are rare, but attacks are serious when they happen. Their diet consists of small-toothed whales, sea lions, seals, sea turtles and carrion, which means dead animals. Great whites attack by propelling themselves at their prey with great speed. They take a single massive bite and drag their victims down into deeper water. Then they let go and the victim bleeds to death before being eaten. There's a blue spotted ray in the background and a jellyfish. Give a thumbs up if you like sea creatures. Giant Pacific octopus. The giant Pacific octopus grows bigger and lives longer than any other octopus species. The largest one was 30 feet, which is just over 9 meters across, and weighed more than 600 pounds, which is 272 kilograms. The average size is about 16 feet or 5 meters. Giant Pacific octopuses have huge bulbous heads and are generally reddish-brown in colour. They are able to change their skin colour and textures to blend in with coral, plants and rocks. They hunt at night, surviving mainly on shrimp, clams, lobsters and fish. That's a cool pufferfish in the background. The pilot whale is not actually a whale but a dolphin. This species was once called a pothead, as the bulbous head was thought to resemble a black cooking pot used by the early whalers. The stocky body is black or dark grey with a greyish area on the belly and an anchor-shaped grey patch under the chin. It lives in deep water and often forms groups or pods of more than 100 members. Their diet includes squid, octopus, herring and various small fish. Pilot whales work together to capture prey. They can communicate with a high-pitched whistle. That's a sawfish in the background there as well, just passing through. The piranha. The piranha fish lives in the rivers of the South American jungles. It has a single row of razor-sharp teeth that are triangular in shape and are used to puncture and rip into prey. The piranhas live together in large shoals. Feeding frenzies will be triggered when there is blood in the water. When this occurs, the water seems to boil and churn. Piranhas are capable of stripping their prey of flesh in a matter of minutes, and when frenzied will bite one another in the process. Piranhas are preyed upon by river dolphins, crocodiles, turtles, birds and larger fish. They can grow to an average length of 30 centimetres or 12 inches, although much bigger ones have been found. You can see Squirt there in the background. The nurse shark lives in coral and rocky reefs of the eastern Pacific Ocean and the eastern and western Atlantic Ocean. They grow to 10 feet or 3 meters and are a yellowish brown color. They have rounded heads and barbels that they use to search for prey and very small eyes. They are able to remain perfectly still and rest in caves or under ledges, often with others. They feed at night on fish, rays and invertebrates. They are suction feeders and can generate enough pressure to suck a queen conch right out of its shell and swallow their prey whole. And you can see an ammonite there in the background. A truly amazing shark. The queen triggerfish lives in coral reefs in shallow water and down to a depth of about 50 meters in the coastal waters of the eastern and western Atlantic Ocean. It feeds on a range of marine invertebrates including snails, bivalves, crabs, shrimps, sea urchins, sea stars and small fish. It will uncover buried prey by blowing water out of its mouth towards the sand where the creature is buried. You can see a little seahorse there in the background. Its strong jaws and large strong teeth make it easy to bite through the hard body parts of marine creatures. The queen triggerfish is an amazing looking fish with its beautiful colouring and blue highlights on the face and fins. The tiger shark. Tiger sharks are common in tropical and subtropical waters throughout the world. They can grow to 25 feet or 7.5 meters. They are second only to great whites in attacking people and will also scavenge. These large blunt-nosed sharks have excellent eyesight and smell. Their powerful jaws have sharp, highly serrated teeth that can even crack the shells of sea turtles and clams. Their diet includes stingrays, sea snakes, seals, birds, squid, and even license plates. You can see a moray eel there in the background. Tiger sharks get their name from their dark vertical stripes found mainly on younger sharks, which fade as they mature. The blue shark is found worldwide. It is one of the fastest fish in the sea, with a sleek tapered body that is made for fast swimming and quick turns. The tail fin moves from side to side, propelling the shark along. It will pursue its prey for long distances and can even leap out of the water. The blue shark has pointed serrated teeth so that it can grip slippery fish. It feeds on squid, fish, mollusks, small sharks and seabirds. The blue shark's predators include Californian sea lions, short-fin makos, white shark and sometimes killer whales. And you can see a zebra shark in the background there. Sally Lightfoot crab. The Sally Lightfoot crab is also known as the red rock crab and inhabits the Galapagos Islands. It is also found along the western coast of South America, the entire coast of Central America and Mexico and nearby islands. This is a stunning looking crab. It has 5 pairs of legs, the front 2 bearing small blocky symmetrical pincers. The other legs are broad and flat. The crab's round flat carapace or shell is just over 8 to 12 centimeters or 3 to 5 inches in length. They are rather flat and low to the ground. Young Sally Lightfoot crabs are black or dark brown and camouflage well on the black lava coast of the Galapagos volcanic islands. And in the background you can see a clownfish. It looks much like Nemo. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay right on here at Super Fun Reviews for more fun videos. See you again soon. Hi, it's Kerry here. Today I've chosen 8 amazing sea creatures with interesting facts. Can you tell me how many times Dory swims past? The hammerhead shark is a very unusual looking shark. They use their wide set eyes to give them a better field of vision. The hammer-shaped head has sensory organs that help them detect prey. It can even find stingrays buried in the sand. They also eat fish, crabs, lobsters and squid. The mouth is located on the underside of the head there. It has sharp, triangular and serrated teeth. They are found in many temperate and tropical waters worldwide. They are grey-brown to olive green on top with an off-white underside. Notice the extra tall, pointed dorsal fins. Most hammerhead species are fairly small and are considered harmless to humans. They are agile in the water, swimming up to 25 miles or 40 kilometers per hour. Hammerhead sharks live in schools of 10 to 20 animals. The largest hammerhead can grow up to 20 feet, which is 6 meters in length, and weigh up to 1,000 pounds or 450 kilograms, although smaller sizes are more common. Give a thumbs up if you like sea creatures. The hermit crab. I really like this model. It looks so good with the eyes on the stalks there. You can see the shell that it's using and the big front pincers there. The hermit crab is a small-sized crustacean that is mainly found in coastal waters where there is more food and places to hide. The hermit crab has a soft underbody which it protects by carrying a shell on its back. Its shell belonged to another animal. As hermit crabs grow, they continue to find larger shells to live in. Hermit crabs are omnivores and eat pretty much anything they can find in the surrounding water. The great white shark. It has pale grey skin with a white belly, bullet-shaped bodies and rows of up to 300 serrated triangular teeth. The great white's light body colour helps camouflage it. They are found in the coastal waters of Australia, South Africa, California and the northeastern United States. Great white shark encounters are rare, but attacks are very serious when they happen. Their diet consists of small-toothed whales. They like sea lions, seals, sea turtles, and carrion, which is dead animals. Great whites attack by propelling themselves at their prey with great speed. They take a single massive bite and drag their victims down into deeper water. Then they let go and the victim bleeds to death before being eaten. The weedy sea dragon. Sea dragons are able to blend in with the seaweed and kelp where they live. They are closely related to seahorses and pipefish. Sea dragons have very long, thin snouts, slender trunks covered in bony rings, and thin tails. They propel and steer themselves with small transparent dorsal and pectoral fins, although they like to tumble and drift in the current just like seaweed. Weedies can grow up to 18 inches or 45 centimetres long. They are found in the coastal waters of South and East Australia. Sea dragon males are responsible for childbearing. Male sea dragons have a spongy brood patch on the underside of the tail, where females deposit their bright pink eggs during mating. The eggs are fertilised during the transfer from the female to the male. The male incubates the eggs and carries them to term, releasing miniature sea dragons into the water after about 4 to 6 weeks. The thresher shark. They're instantly recognisable by their extra long tail fin. This slender whip-like tail can be a deadly weapon, used to herd, stun and kill the thresher shark's prey. Notice the pectoral fins are curved and taper to a point, and the snout is short and pointed. The eyes and jaws are relatively small, but the sharp teeth are good for capturing slippery prey. It uses its unique tail fin to herd fish together in tight shoals and then stuns them with powerful swipes of the tail. Sometimes two threshers may cooperate in their attack, swimming around the school of fish in ever-decreasing circles, then striking out with their tails before turning to swallow their stunned or dead victims. The loggerhead is named for its exceptionally large head, and it has heavy, strong jaws. The heart-shaped carapace or shell is bony without ridges and has large non-overlapping rough scutes or scales. The colour varies from reddish-brown with a yellowish-brown plastron or breastplate. Front flippers are short and thick with 2 claws, while the rear flippers can have 2 or 3 claws. The loggerhead sea turtle is omnivorous, feeding mainly on bottom-dwelling invertebrates like mollusks, crustaceans, horseshoe crabs, clams, mussels and other marine animals. The bonnethead shark is also known as the shovelhead shark. It is a type of hammerhead shark with a smooth rounded head. It is a harmless, timid shark that is grey-brown above and lighter on the underside with short pectoral fins and grows to about 3.3 feet, which is 1 metre long. It has small sharp teeth in the front of the mouth for grabbing small fish and flat broad molars in the back, that's for crushing crustaceans and mollusks. The bonnethead shark is a timid, harmless shark and is found in the western Atlantic and eastern Pacific Oceans, in the surf zone, reefs and on sandy bottoms and in estuaries. They migrate to warm water in the winter and cooler water in the summer. Sounds like a good idea to me. Beluga whales are the smallest whale. They live in the coastal waters of the Arctic Ocean and in the subarctic regions. When ice starts to form, the belugas migrate south towards warmer water. They are easily recognised by their white skin and rounded forehead, as they have no dorsal fin. Beluga feed on fish, crustaceans and worms. The whale is related to the tusked unicorn whale, known as the narwhal. The beluga has a flexible neck that enables it to turn its head in all directions. Belugas generally live in small groups called pods. They are social animals and communicate using clicks, whistles and other sounds. They can also mimic a variety of other sounds. How many times did Dory swim past? I think this beluga has brought its whole family along. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay right on here at Super Fun Reviews for more fun videos. See you again soon. Hi, it's Kerry here. Today we're looking at sharks. You will also see many other sea animals swim by. Can you tell me how many piranhas you see today? You are seeing the first piranha now. Give a thumbs up if you like sharks and sea animals. The collection includes a great white shark, a tiger shark, whale shark, a bull shark, hammerhead shark and a lemon shark. The hammerhead shark is a very unusual looking shark. They use their wide set eyes to give them a better field of vision. The hammer-shaped head has sensory organs that help them detect prey. It can even find stingrays buried in the sand and also eats fish, crabs, lobster and squid. The mouth is located on the underside of the head. It has sharp triangular and serrated teeth. The largest hammerhead can grow up to 20 feet or 6 meters long. They are found in many temperate and tropical waters worldwide. They are grey-brown to olive green on top with an off-white underside. Notice the extra tall, pointed dorsal fins. The tiger shark. They are common in tropical and subtropical waters throughout the world. They can grow to 25 feet or 7.5 meters. They are second only to the great whites in attacking people, and they will also scavenge. These large blunt-nosed sharks have excellent eyesight and smell. Their powerful jaws have sharp, highly serrated teeth that can even crack the shells of sea turtles and clams. Their diet includes stingrays, sea snakes, seals, birds and squid. Tiger sharks get their name from the dark vertical stripes found mainly on the younger sharks, which fade as they mature. The lemon shark is yellow in colour with a white belly and can be found along the coasts of North and South America in the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. Lemon sharks live in warm and shallow waters, usually near the coral reefs. The lemon shark has a flattened head and a broad snout with curved teeth. These teeth can grip slippery prey very well. Like other sharks, the lemon shark have electroceptors in the head which help it locate prey. They eat different kinds of fish, crustaceans and mollusks. When food is scarce, lemonfish can eat members of its own species. They are active mainly at dusk and dawn. The lemon shark blends well with the ocean floor. The great white shark. Great white shark encounters are rare, but attacks are serious when they happen and have led to people dying. The great whites attack by propelling themselves at their prey with great speed. They take a single massive bite and drag their victims down into deeper water. Then they let go and the victim just bleeds itself to death before being eaten. Great white sharks have pale grey skin with white bellies, with a bullet-shaped body and rows of up to 300 serrated triangular teeth. Jaws has just made an appearance. They are found in the coastal waters of Australia, South Africa, California and the northeastern United States. The whale shark is the largest fish in the sea, about 40 feet or 12 meters long. The whale shark is a filter feeder. It feeds near the surface by filtering water through its massive jaws. Its favourite food is plankton. The whale shark's flattened head has a blunt snout above its mouth with short barbels protruding from the nostrils. Its back and sides are grey to brown colour with white spots, with pale vertical and horizontal stripes. Its underneath is white. It has 2 dorsal fins on the back of its body. Whale sharks live in tropical seas. They migrate every spring to the continental shelf of the central west coast of Australia, where there is a lot of plankton. The Bull sharks are aggressive and live in the shallow warm waters of all the world's oceans. They're able to live in sea and fresh water. The bull shark, great whites and tiger sharks are the three species most likely to attack humans. Bull sharks get their name from their short, blunt snout, as well as head-butting their prey before attacking it. They are medium-sized sharks with thick stout bodies and long pectoral fins. They are grey on top and white below, and the fins have dark tips. They are fast, agile predators and eat fish, dolphins and other sharks. These models are very inexpensive and are quite lightweight. They make great bath toys. I know you can get better models from some of the other brands, but I just really like these as bath toys. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay right on here at Super Fun Reviews for more fun videos. See you again soon. Remember to count the piranhas. Hi, it's Kerry here. Today I have lots of interesting sea creatures for you. Can you tell me how many times you see Nemo swim past? I'll give you a clue at the end. The whale shark is the largest fish in the sea, about 40 feet or 12 meters long. The whale shark is a filter feeder. It feeds near the surface by filtering water through its massive jaws. Its favorite food is plankton. The whale shark's flattened head has a blunt snout above its mouth with short barbels protruding from the nostrils. Its back and sides are grey to brown in colour with white spots among pale vertical and horizontal stripes. Its underneath is white. Its two dorsal fins are set towards the back of its body, which ends in a large dual-lobed caudal fin or tail. Whale sharks live in tropical seas. They migrate every spring to the continental shelf of the central west coast of Australia, where there is a lot of plankton. Give a thumbs up if you like sea creatures. Here's Dory. I'm looking forward to the new Finding Dory movie. This fish is sometimes called a regal tang or a surgeon fish. The fins are relatively small. It has venomous spines covering the back and the tail. When caught by a predator, the fish releases these spines in defense to escape. It is also able to make itself semi-transparent when threatened. It blends in with its surroundings then. The tang is omnivorous, meaning it eats both plants and animals. Blue tangs are found on reefs, swimming in large schools, grazing on algae. Dory is also known as Little Blue. She is forgetful, talkative, caring, and a sweet, friendly, big-hearted fish. She's a fast swimmer, can speak well, and can read human language and writing. She wants to find her mother and father and says, "My family, they're out there somewhere. I have to find them." The blue crab. Crabs are also known as decapods because they have 10 legs. The first pair of legs is modified into claws called chellae. Crabs walk and swim sideways. The claws are blue, but its shell or carapace is a mottled brown colour. Crabs have eyes on stalks, just like snails. They are also excellent swimmers with specially adapted hind legs shaped like paddles. To escape predators, they bury into the sand. They feed on almost anything they can get hold of, including mussels, snails, fish, plants, carrion, and even smaller blue crabs. ammonites first appeared about 240 million years ago. They went extinct with the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. This cephalopod was a predatory, squid-like creature that lived inside a coil-shaped shell. It had sharp, beak-like jaws inside a ring of tentacles that came out from their shells to trap prey such as small fish and crustaceans. The largest ammonites grew to more than 3 feet or 1 meter across, possible snack food for the giant mosasaur Tylosaurus. They scooted through the warm, shallow seas by squirting jets of water from their bodies. Ammonites constantly built new shells as they grew, but only lived in the outer chamber. The blue-spotted stingray has beautiful iridescent blue spots on the top part of its body. The spots are warning signs to other sea creatures, warning that it is poisonous. Its yellowish-green colour helps camouflage it from above, and its pale underside helps camouflage it from below. It can grow to 28 inches long, including the blue striped tail, which has 1 or 2 venomous spines. Its yellow eyes have an excellent field of vision. The holes above the eyes are spiracles for breathing. The snout is rounded and the mouth and gills are on the underside of the body. The mouth has 2 plates that can crush crab shells, prawns and mollusks. The octopus has a massive rounded head, large eyes and 8 distinctive arms. It is able to camouflage itself with its surroundings. Predators such as sharks, eels and dolphins may not even notice it. When discovered, an octopus will release a cloud of black ink to make its escape. They move forward by expelling water through their mantles. They're able to squeeze into small cracks and crevices to escape predators. They also have beak-like jaws that can deliver a nasty bite, and some have venomous saliva. They eat crabs, crayfish and mollusks. The giant squid. It's a bit of a mystery. The largest one found measured 59 feet or 18 meters in length and weighed nearly a ton. They live in very deep and cold water, which is not easily accessible to scientists and divers. Like other squid, it is able to release ink, which hides it so it can make its escape. Giant squid and the colossal squid have large eyes measuring 10 inches or 25 centimeters across. These large eyes help them see in the gloomy depths that they inhabit. They have 8 arms and 2 long feeding tentacles that help them bring food to their beak-like mouths. The tentacles have 4 rows of suction caps with hooks to help catch prey. The blue shark is found worldwide. It is one of the fastest fish in the sea, with a sleek tapered body that is made for fast swimming and quick turns. The tail fin moves from side to side, propelling the shark along. It will pursue its prey for long distances and can even leap out of the water. The blue shark has pointy, serrated teeth so that it can grip slippery fish. It feeds on squid, fish, mollusks, small sharks, and even seabirds. The blue shark's predators include Californian sea lions, short-fin makos, white sharks, and sometimes even killer whales. Now don't forget to count how many times you see Nemo. I'll give you a clue. It's an odd number between 1 and 10. The Cownose ray. They are related to sharks and skates. They get their name from their forehead, which looks like a cow's nose. They are brown to olive coloured on top and pale underneath. They grow to between 2 and 3 feet, which is 60 to 90 centimetres. They have an excellent sense of smell and touch as well as electroreceptors on their snouts to locate their prey. To find prey, they stir up the bottom with their wingtips or noses. They can also suck water and sand into their mouths and blow it out through their gills or flap their wings rapidly to uncover prey in the sand. They have very strong teeth arranged in flat plates that can crunch hard-shelled prey. They have been seen jumping clear out of the water and landing on their bellies, making loud smacking sounds. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay right on here at Super Fun Reviews for more fun videos. See you again soon. For more dinosaur videos, click the picture. Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.